another rain day in the morning. I guess I will never something else about vacation with rain. Maybe it will go away until I can come out because it's raining out there. I got it! How would we, all time would we would think about something? Way over. I sure that would be a great idea for Clodify to next time of the day tonight. Oh, way over time. I got it. Way in proper for you, Wally. I can deal. I'm sure that's the way down. I need to call that one friend. Hello? Yeah? This is the one speaking. It's Woodpecker trying to give a good things right up for something else. And about to selling about my own car for any $1,000 so I can make a pay a trophy. Really good with things. I'll be here. Wait for too much longer. Wait for more. I could be disaster about the same and over time. And we over and out. They could do things right over. Oh, there you are, guys. I wish I'm selling this one for this broken car. Oh, this will be a way easy. Haha! Gladly I can make it. Thanks, sir. Glad I could prove it for this. And I could learn how to sell these cars for entirely for thousands of dollars. And I hope this will be easy. I got this way over, and I hear that is too much, so way down. Love my yoga meditation. I very, very approve. Way and over. Just to keep it that way unsafe. Way up. Just a little bit cracky up though. Way up. Oh, yeah? Just come on then. Bring it on. I'm right here for you. You won't beat me up here because I am stronger than you. And I'm just a real elated woodpecker here. Who said so? Well, yeah? Oh, come on, bring it on then, scary owl. Well, this gives me no right about that. And hey, wait. It should be right about this. You gotta go ahead for the plane to start out for now TV things. Let's go with this perfect idea, water fishing idea. That will be a very perfect. Yeah! Now that's will be perfect. Oh, please. Just watch and learn. Whoa! 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 Repo! Gee, why stick around for all way deal? Rain up. Huh? What the hell am I getting right over with this stuff, shall we? What a grumble. Oh, wow. I knew spending my vacation day to the town of the island of Hawaii. Great idea, though. Last I made it. Hello, Hawaii. But at least I now 4 times for a perfect day in the time of the island. It will be a very perfect vacation day. Me too. What are you doing here? I was in only of my own vacation day in Hawaii. Well, this gives no chances around. Look at that. A way real trade card. I wonder if this will take a gear for this chain once. It looks like the Wally is already outsmarted these entire termites. And more that they could be that things off. Never saw there? Well, they don't have an airport.